What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest woodworking, I guess you could call it that because it's made of wood and I'm working, projects that you can do and sell. These are called door leans, or as I like to call them, welcome signs. And they range in a variety of just a basic welcome, or you can even do holidays such as Grinchmas or Christmas, but the Grinch.
The
Grinch! Well, that worked out nicely.
Gotta get the Grinch on there. And you also have seasonal. I mean, this will be your fall. Get your little pumpkin on here. And, of course, you can do double-sided. Because, baby, it's cold outside. So I'm going to show you how we do these. And you can get started and start selling these today. Let's do it. As you can see down beside me, we have a pretty big stack. If you're just going to make one or two signs, you won't need this many. We have a buddy who's in real estate. He ordered 12 signs. So this is what that's going to be. And I got to say thank you. Because, I mean, real estate agents can really take your side business the extra mile. Because they're going to buy stuff to give as gifts. And as long as you make them a good quality project, they're going to keep giving. And they're going to keep getting. So we'll take these. They're 8 foot long. We're going to cut them all in half. Make them all 4 foot leans. And then we'll sand them down. Then pass them over to the wife. And she'll make them actually look decent. Because all I do is play with wood. So there's your woodworking. We took a piece of wood and we cut it in half. That's the depth of this project. All right, I've seen this before on the internet. I have 2 pieces of wood, and I'm going to take my hand and I can't believe that actually worked. I wonder if I could do the same thing with sanding. All right, now when I sand these, I'm not going for like a super perfect finish. I got some 120. I'm just going to pretty much sand the whole thing, make sure I don't have no big chips or nooks. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so we've got one completely sanded. Let's see if we can do this again. Well, that didn't turn out how I expected, but they're done. So, you know what that means. Hey, honey, your turn. All right, so here you can see her. She's putting her fancy color on. Just a solid color. This could be your stain, black, white, any color sign you want to make. But let's see if my trick works. Hold on, I got this. Well, it worked for me. Continue. Now at this point, you can go ahead and start laying down whatever you wanted to say. This is the perfect time to say welcome, go away, or even profanity. But you can either use freehand and try it that way if you're well versed with your hand, or you can grab a set of stencils from Walmart, Michael's, wherever, and you can do it this way. This is also a good time to use a Cricut machine if you have one and make your own vinyl. So now she's gonna paint. Good work, honey.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need.
good, honey. Well, 11 more to go.
Yep.
And there you have it. That is your basic, simple welcome sign. Now all we're going to do to finish that off is get a little can of spray poly, just spray a layer on her, and should be ready to go. But you're probably not going to do 12 of these. So here you go.